Eric has a northern pike, Blackstone River.
Oh my god.
It's a big bastard.
John Reed, if only you were here. You want to punch it in the face just as bad as I do.
He's a big sucker. Oh Jesus, he's got some fucking strength, man.
Wow, this is crazy.
10-pound test.
10-pound test line. This fucking monster right here. Look at him. Oh my god. A little bit more.
No. Fight a little bit more.
It's the battle of the century right here.
This is a fucking fish, bro.
Woo! Grab his gill.
I ain't grabbing my...
No, like this. Like this.
Crazy.
Got him. Bring him on up, boys. Bring him on up. Yeah!
You got a scale?
Yep.
Oh my god.
Yeah!
You son
Look
of a
at that
bitch.
motherfucker.
Oh!
Hold on, Eric. I'll pause it real quick and take a picture.